कांवड़ यात्रा के दौरान नेम प्लेट के विवाद पर भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुनवाई हुई। उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार ने अपने फैसले का बचाव करते हुए कोर्ट में अपना जवाब दर्ज कराया। शीर्ष कोर्ट ने अपने 22 जुलाई के फैसले नेम प्लेट के बिना दुकान चलाने के आदेश को बरकरार रखा है। सुनवाई के दौरान कोर्ट रूम एक याचिकाकर्ता की ओर से सीनियर वकील अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी भी कोर्ट में मौजूद थे। उन्होंने कोर्ट में कहा कि मुझे आज ही यूपी सरकार पर जस्टिस ऋषिकेश रॉय और जस्टिस SVN भट्टी की बेंच पर सुनवाई हो रही थी। उन्होंने उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार की ओर से पेश वकील मुकुल रोहतगी से जवाब पेश करने को कहा। इस पर उन्होंने कहा कि नेम प्लेट विवाद का आदेश इसलिए जारी किया गया था ताकि सौहार्द और शांति बनाए रखने के लिए जारी किया था, ताकि कांवड़िए गलती से कुछ ऐसा ना खा लें जिससे उनकी धार्मिक भावना आहत हो जाए। कांवड़ यात्रा नेम प्लेट विवाद पर सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने 22 जुलाई को पहली बार सुनवाई किया था। शीर्ष कोर्ट ने सभी उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड और मध्य प्रदेश सरकार से 26 जुलाई तक जवाब दाखिल करने का आदेश दिया था। उत्तर प्रदेश और मध्य प्रदेश सरकार ने शुक्रवार को अपना जवाब दाखिल किया, जबकि उत्तराखंड सरकार ने 2 हफ्ते का समय मांगा है। वहीं मध्य प्रदेश सरकार ने कहा कि उनके प्रदेश में ऐसा नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ उज्जैन म्यूनिसिपल ने जारी किया था, लेकिन कोई जवाब नहीं डाला गया। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कांवड़ यात्रा नेम प्लेट विवाद पर सुनवाई के दौरान एक याचिकाकर्ता की ओर से सीनियर एडवोकेट अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी ने अपनी दलील रखी। सिंघवी ने कहा कि यूपी सरकार का जवाब आज ही सुबह मुझे मिला। इससे साफ पता चलता है कि यूपी सरकार थोड़े समय के लिए ही सही, पर हमने भेदभाव किया है।
The categories in relation to the present batch of cases would comprise of the following. Bracket 1, the state government, the government of West Bengal, semicolon, bracket 2, the West Bengal Central School Service Commission, bracket 3, original petitioners before the High Court who are not selected, into brackets, representing classes 9 and 10, semicolon, 11 and 12, and groups C and D, bracket, and similarly situated persons. Bracket 4, persons whose appointments have been cancelled by the judgment of the High Court. 5, persons who would be appointed in pursuance of the decision of the in pursuance of the division bench, but where no action has been taken. Persons who would stand to persons who would stand to be appointed.
Persons will lose their job because of malpractice.
There is no direction. There is no category. There is no such directions.
Once, everything, right. Then that fifth category, the fifth category we will not mention. And fifth, 5, the central, 1 second. We are not putting the fifth category. 5, the Central Bureau of Investigation. Let's stop. We have clarified during the course of the hearing to assuage the concerns of all the learned counsel that these are broad categories and will not exclude the possibility of any person having a distinct case presenting it before this court. Can you please allow me to argue, dictate the matter? Full stop. To facilitate, full stop. Given the large number of petitions which have been filed before this court, it would be necessary to have a common compilation which can be relied upon by all the learned counsel at the time of the hearing. Full stop. To facilitate this, uske pehle likh lijiye. During the course of the hearing, we have noticed that the court has been apprised of the fact that Mr. Rakesh Dwivedi, learned senior counsel, appears on behalf with Ms. Asa Sharma, appears on behalf of the state of West Bengal, while Mr. Jaideep Gupta, learned senior counsel, appears for the school service, West Bengal Central School Service Commission.
Mr. Kaul also appears.
Mr. Kaul, you are appearing for
the state of West Bengal.
Okay. Yes, you'll take that. The persons whose appointments would stand to be cancelled as a result of the impugned judgment of the division bench of the High Court are represented inter alia by Mr. C.S. Vaidyanathan, Mr. Raju Ramchandran, Mr. P.S. Patwalia, Ms. V. Mohana, Mr. Ranjit Kumar,
I will ask
Ms. Meenakshi Arora, and Ms. Padmanabhan.
I am representing.
All right, आपका भी नाम लिखो Mr. Gupta.
We are all representing our SLPs.
Must be your lordship have
You are
forwarded
away,
my surname.
you are away from Parliament today.
No, our parliament is not there.
And Mr. Rohit for whom?
For the similarly circumstance group D.
My lord,
Alphabetical order.
Lordship, I want to assist.
My lord, Mr.
Mr. Ranjit Kumar भी डाल.
My lord, Mr. Pratik sir.
Smati Diwan also.
Lordship,
My
Fair
lord,
enough, Mr. Ranjit Kumar, Ms. Madhvi Diwan.
Mr. Pratik
See,
sir, my
we are
lord.
not, we are just putting out some names so that, you know, we know when the matter opens up, who is appearing for whom. All right.
Lordship,
Lordship may not put any name, my lord.
All right,
Don't
किसी
put
का
any
नाम मत
name.
लिखो. All right, don't put any names because.
Otherwise there will be another chaos.
All right.
Lordship,
The
Only one.
ऐसा लिखते हैं हम. Council appearing, all the council appearing in this batch of matters who fall into one of the above stated categories shall furnish details to Ms. Asta Sharma during the course of the day, so that a consolidated master list of council can be prepared. All right. Then we will say in order to facilitate the preparation of a common compilation, we appoint the following, by consent, we appoint the following advocates as nodal counsel, : 1, Ms. Asta Sharma, 2, Ms. Shalini Kaul, and 3,
Kunal Chatterjee is there in all the matters.
Kunal Chatterjee is most important. He's for the board as well as for the school.
Kunal Chatterjee,
It's very
3, Mr. Kunal Chatterjee.
because we are been approved.
Yes.
Report from day one.
Right.
At our instance, Mr. Partho.
Mr. Kind.
We have one.
Who?
Mr. Partho Steel, the advocate on record. Thank you.
Mr. Partho.
Oh, Mr. Pathis, all right. The 4 nodal council, that Shekhar Kumar we already put there. The 4 nodal council shall ensure that they sit together and prepare a common compilation in the electronic form. Full stop. This shall be circulated to all the learned council appearing on behalf of the contesting parties in the proceedings. Full stop. This exercise shall be completed within a period of 2 weeks. The proceedings shall be listed for final hearing on Tuesday. Place it exactly after 3 weeks. 2 weeks to file the counter. If no counter comes, and we're giving 2 weeks to prepare the counter.
Lordship,
Right.
Lordship, item number 26.
Right. The council falling in the above categories will be at liberty to file their written submissions not exceeding 5 pages each. Not exceeding 5 pages each. Stop. We would request all council appearing for a given category to prepare one set of submission. Right? So that, you know, Mr. Batwalia, Mr. Ramchandra and Mohana, please sit down together and prepare one compilation. Your 5 can become 7, but, you know, we'll then have some idea.
But Lordship, my lord, for the writ petitioners before the High Court, they have to agree with all these arguments. Their argument cannot be
One compilation means
one submission, one set of submission.
one type of sum, but
I think Mr. Gupta, Mr. Dwivedi, and Mr.
My
Anjaliwal.
submission is just limited to one point.
So,
Rest all is
yeah,
Mr.
fair enough, but prepare one set of submission because you are the people who are challenging the judgment of the High Court.
Yes, madam.
Here the private party is challenging. The petitioners before the High Court are seeking to sustain the judgment of the High Court.
Yes, madam.
We get the broad categories now.
One risk.
And state and SSC, etc. is concerned, your lordships, because notice has not been issued in our SLB. Let them just circulate.
But-
We can apply to the registry and get their stamp.
All right.
That is.
There are new matters today. New matters in this, kindly issue notice and direct.
All the matters.
Notice shall issue in all cases where notice has not been issued thus far. However, it is clarified that one counter affidavit alone will be filed in the lead matter. Full stop. Now, one more thing which I wanted to ask you was that we'll have only one counter affidavit. That's one thing is very clear. Now, apart from that, so far as the state of West Bengal, there are basically the most significant challenges are by the private parties who are going to be ousted, but more important, the state of West Bengal and the School Service Commission. Now, I would like to have, just so that we have some idea about the facts, can somebody take the burden of preparing a dispassionate set of list of dates containing everything?
That will
So Dwivedi, will you be able to do that?
We'll prepare it.
Everything there. We don't be selective. We only request the state government can do that. Don't be selective in what you're disclosing. Put everything on the record, because then it's a matter of argument. But otherwise, we'll not have a comprehensive set of dates. So please do that for us, so that.
One race.
Yes, their presence is very much required. The board. West Bengal Board of Secondary Education presence is very much required, because there is an excess appointment. Full service commission.
The commission is the
No, we'll ask the state of West Bengal to do it. We'll coordinate with Mr. Dwivedi and both of them.
My lord would be kind enough, my lord, in the meantime, direct the CBI to place its report before the court. Let us know what has happened, how far they have proceeded.
Commission and the West Bengal
Board of Secondary Education.
Board of Secondary Education.
Love to see.
One race.
That the board is very serious before the Supreme Court, and unfortunately, SSC before this single judge did not argue. Board did not argue. Board did not appear. Board did not argue. Nothing, no seriousness. We would love to see that they have become serious now.
Only 100 SLPs there, Lord. Certain SLPs are not appearing in your.
All right, now we'll get on with our, I think we brought some order to what we are going to do.
Lord, some of the SLPs are appearing in the.
I thought you I missed it, Lord. Did this honorable court, Lord, direct the CBI to file its
All of them
report?
will be on board now. These are representative proceedings. I mean, it may at the end happen that some SLPs were not listed or whatever. They'll follow whatever you. We have so many counsel across the spectrum making arguments. Everybody.
I have, one respectful sub.
All right, now.
One respect.
All good things have to come to an end. All good things have to come to an end.
I have one request.
CBI report may be.
In this regard.
Already CBI has filed a charge sheet in this regard in all the 4 matters. RC 1, 2, 3, 4.
My lord, another thing is that, my lord,
CBI has already filed.
I can't hear you at all. And we'll not be able to hear anybody because everybody is out talking out of turn. Now, though I don't use a hearing aid, we have switched off our ears to everybody in this matter. Hear it on the next
CBI has already filed a charge sheet in this regard. Let the report be filed on the next day.
Item 14. Item 28.
Lordship, item number 26 is related.
और आप हमसे जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें YouTube पर, फॉलो करें Twitter पर और लाइक करें Facebook पर। और ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए आपको टाइप करना होगा सिर्फ न्यूज़ नशा।